Here's an update on Pag-IBIG account online activation. After 6 days, I have now received a message from Pag-IBIG that I can now activate my Pag-IBIG account online. The message from Pag-IBIG stated that my online account has been activated. A temporary password is also given. Then I just had to follow the instructions stated. I can now log in my Virtual Pag-IBIG account. I just had to type my email address and the temporary password given. Then tap Verify. There is an option for you to change your temporary password. A friendly reminder, do not forget your password. After changing my temporary password, I am going to try to log in once again. Just type my email address and my new password. Then tap Login. Here is now the overview of your Virtual Pag-IBIG. Start enjoying Pag-IBIG fund services anytime, anywhere. Click the menu icon at the upper left of your screen to choose the service you needed. On the menu tab, you can check on the latest news and announcements, as well as your regular savings. Here's the view of your Pag-IBIG regular savings where you can check your total savings. Now, let's check our MP2 savings. The MP2 savings is a special savings facility with a 5-year maturity designed for Pag-IBIG fund members who wish to save more and earn even higher dividends. The program is also open to pensioners and retirees who were former Pag-IBIG fund members. You can also check on housing loan, multi-purpose loan, and calamity loan. You can also link your Loyalty Card Plus, and you can pay online. You may pay using your PayMaya or debit card. You can also change your account password. And that is the Virtual Pag-IBIG. I hope you have learned something from our video tutorial. For more updates and videos, please keep on following our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.